Shopify released 150 plus updates to its platform, so 2025 is heading to a really exciting journey for sellers. All these updates you can find on the Shopify website. So these are the top updates, and on the left hand side it says 150 plus updates, nothing new, everything is improved. Well, last night I went through these updates and dug out some gold for you. So what I want to do is take you through these updates that I think are useful for you and interesting. Plus there is one update that I have been waiting for about a whole year. Now I'm gonna take you through what I think are the best updates of all. So the first one that I think is super important is about checkout. Now you can use checkout blocks on more pages. Before it had been reserved for the Shopify Plus store, but I think every sort of plan can have it now. It will allow you to add custom blocks to pages after checkout, like the thank you page and order status page. There is a free app called Checkout Blocks. Now, if you click on here and install the app to your store, after the installation, open it, then click on Create Blocks. Here you can create blocks with dynamic content that allows you to add more functions and rules, or you can create a simple static block. Let me show you what's inside the dynamic one. Okay, you can choose a template from here. Let's go with the support buttons. Give a block name. You can include a title or header in this box. To add a button, click on Edit. You can add URLs to your social links here and say to your customers things like you may also join our Facebook group, then save it. And this allows you to add more content items like banners, benefits, images, text, or even more buttons. If you wish to add more text, just add a text item, then click Edit to include your text and then customize style. Then click Done. After creating a block, you need to add it to your page. Go to Online Store. We got to edit the theme. Click on Customize. Then go here and click Checkout and Customer Accounts. Click on Checkout. Now we have got here Thank You page, Order Status page, Orders page, and Profile. But all we need to do, click one of those pages, then click Selections up here, then add the block where you wish to add. Click Dynamic Content. Now select the block ID that we have created. Now when shoppers come to your thank you page, they will see a block. That's so amazing, and you can add dynamic content blocks to other pages as well. The next update I want to talk about is Shopify has made small but useful update to the search and discovery app, which improves how customers search your store. Previously, searches would allow all products and their variants separately. Now we can show only parent products or only child products or even both. This helps customers to find the right item faster, improving their experience and boosting conversion rates. Then the next update is small update, but it's really important for sellers who offer bundles. Well, bundles were really basic on Shopify. Now they show up in more areas like emails, order details, and everywhere else. Before, product bundles show like this. After updating, it will also provide a nested group of line items like this one. There is another update for those running larger business with multiple stores and a team to manage. This makes it easier to manage your stuff from one place and combine everything into a single bill. Way less hassle. It will make it easy and safe to manage staff permissions. Now you can assign specific roles or even multiple roles to your team members. This way, they'll only have access to the areas they need, keeping everything secure and organized. Now, about the last update. I was waiting for it almost a year. AI-powered personal assistant Sidekick is now around the globe. From the dashboard, if you click this icon, this thing will appear on the screen. Here you can ask questions and get access to your business data or simplify any work for you. Let's try and see if it can create me a promotion for 20% discount of all our products. We got a result, and if we click preview, next we are on our discount page. It has already taken some information like 20% discount on entire order. We need to fill in the title and some customization if needed. So with this AI assistant, your work hassle will be a lot easy. So these are my picks from this series of updates. All the updates will benefit the sellers a lot without any doubt. Shopify checkout is now faster and better. It unified customer accounts. In-person selling is smoother. Another big thing is Shopify Flow, which aims to automate tasks. Sellers will able to run campaigns with cost-effective marketing strategies. They will get more access to AI. Also, they will get all the financial tools need in one place. So 2025 for Shopify is going to be very interesting. Shopify named it the boring edition. The reason behind calling it boring is because everyone is overhyped by bringing new shopping innovations. But here Shopify is different. It tried to easy the process, improve the performance, and make sure everything is working well together. And I think these were needed, and like me, many sellers were also waiting for these updates for a very long time. If you need to build your Shopify store and manage everything in your online business, you can count on us. Send an email to info@ecomclips.com. Please subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.